Okay, I'd been asked by somebody to do a video of a cold start of the bus that I have for sale. Came out just now and met these people here. They wanted to take a look at the bus, so I'm going to video the cold start so that people can see it. Turn the coach on. Alright, so that powers up the 24 volt system. And as you can see, there's 24 volts. So here is, oops, you can see that it's on. Bus is cold, it's aired down. And as I do a cold start, you'll be able to see out of this mirror. If it was going to smoke, you'd see a big cloud of smoke there. So here comes the start.
Let's say the thing does start right up.
And there's no cloud of smoke out there or anything. And that's cold. And it's already airing up. So anyway, there's a cold start.